Hi everyone, we are going to continue the permutation basics. In the previous class, I have given you some problems. I hope all of you would have done the questions. And how many 4-digit numbers? Now let us see the answers. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed with the digits 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Here they have mentioned that repetition is not allowed. Please remember, if it is not allowed, if the repetition is not allowed, they'll mention in the question. If nothing is mentioned in the question, you can assume that repetition is allowed. Okay, it is, you have the freedom of repeating the numbers. Now 4-digit numbers, that is, we are not going to use the formula. I'll show you another method, that is, you need not, without formula, how to solve this question. Okay, so coming to the first digit, I have 4 digits I want, so I'm drawing 4 lines here. Okay, and first digit, coming to the first digit, I have the freedom of writing 1. What are all the digits given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have the freedom of writing 5 digits in the first digit, right? 5 numbers in the first digit. Coming to the second digit, now the conditions apply, right? What is the condition? I cannot repeat the number, whatever number I have written in the first digit, I cannot repeat here. So I lose 1 digit now, right? So how many more digits are there? 4. So for this, whatever I have written in the first digit, I cannot repeat. Therefore, I'll get only, I have the freedom of writing 4 numbers in the second digit. Similarly, I have now, after completing these 2, remaining 3 numbers are there. So I have the freedom of writing only 3 numbers here. Okay. Similarly, after writing 3, I have the freedom of writing only 2 numbers. Now, I want 4-digit number, and this should happen, and this should happen, and this should happen, and this should also happen. Okay. And means what? Multiplication. So 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. I already told you, you have to remember R means addition, and means multiplication. So if you multiply, you will get 120 ways. This is the answer. I hope everyone would have done this. Okay. Now, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? So here, what is the difference between first and second question? In the first question, repetition is not allowed. Here, repetition is allowed. Because nothing is mentioned, we can assume that repetition is allowed. So 4-digit numbers are asked. So I am drawing 4 lines. Here, I have the freedom of writing 5 numbers here, right? So here 5 numbers. So 5. And here repetition is allowed. Coming to the second digit, repetition is allowed, right? Therefore, here I have the freedom of writing 5 here. And here again, no restriction, repetition is allowed. So again 5, here also 5. This should happen, this should happen, this should also happen, and this should also happen. So and means multiplication, everything should happen. Therefore, multiplication 5 into 5, 25 squared. So 625 is the answer. Okay. Next, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8? So here 4 digits again, it is almost similar question only. So here I have the freedom of considering the first digit. I have the freedom of writing 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Right? So how many digits? 5. Here 5, because repetition is not allowed, is not given. Nothing is mentioned, so repetition is allowed, right? Here 5. Coming to the first digit, if I write 5 here, what will happen? For example, in the first digit I am writing 6, 8, then 4. If I write 0 here, okay. If I write 5 here, I can write 0 also in the first digit. What will happen? This will become, is it a 4-digit number? No, it is a 3-digit number. It will become a 3-digit number. So here, for filling up the first digit, I cannot use 0 here. So I don't have the freedom of writing 0 in the first digit, right? Therefore, here this will become only 4. Here in this, I have the freedom of writing only 4 numbers, right? So now all the 4 digits should be written, filled, therefore into multiplication. and therefore it is multiplication, and if you multiply you will get 500 is the answer. Okay. Next one, how many 5-digit numbers can be formed containing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So what is the first digit? How many I have the freedom of writing? 5 numbers. Right? Now coming to the second digit. Now it can contain 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Right? So 5. And here again 5. Here again 5. 5. Okay. If I write like this, I'll give you an example. I am writing in the first digit, I am writing 7. In the second digit, I am writing 5. And again 3, I am writing 5, 1. Right? I have the freedom of writing all the 5 digits in any place. Right? So, if I write like this, where is 9? Where is 9? What is the given question? How many 5-digit numbers can be formed containing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? It should contain all the 5 digits. Okay. So here in this question, it indirectly means that repetition is not allowed. It doesn't mean that containing need not mean always, it need not be the same, it need not have the same meaning that repetition is not allowed. Okay. Containing does not mean repetition is not allowed. But in this situation, here containing means it is repetition is not allowed. Okay. So here indirectly they have given repetition is not allowed. Right. Therefore, what will be the changes now? Repetition is not allowed means all these numbers should be changed. Right. So here repetition is not allowed means I have the freedom of writing only 4 numbers here. And I have the freedom of writing only 3 numbers after writing here. After filling up that, I have only 2 numbers remaining. Here I have only 1 number remaining. Okay. So 20, 60, 120. This is equal to 120. I hope you understood. Here containing, always containing need not give the same meaning. But here in this problem, according to the situation, given situation, you should understand the question properly. Okay. And now, how many 5-digit numbers can be formed containing odd digits? I hope all of you would have done well here. What are the odd digits now? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Right? So here 5-digit numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? It is similar to the same question. Right? The previous question is similar to this. Right? So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Right? What will be, this is the answer, right? No, this is wrong. If you write like this, this is wrong. Okay. So 120 is not the correct answer. If you write 120, this is wrong. Now what to do? What is the difference between the previous question and this question? Containing odd digits. So the same example I am giving. I am writing 7 here, 5 here, and 3, 5, 9. You cannot ask where is 1 because they are not giving containing all the digits. No. Containing odd digits. Is it an odd number? Yes. This is odd number. This is odd number. This is odd number. This is again odd number. Right? Therefore, all are odd digits only. So here in this containing, I told you containing need not give the same meaning depending on the question. Right? Therefore, here it is not giving the meaning of need not repeat. Repetition is not allowed is not applied here. So what will be the answer here? Repetition is allowed here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So I can write 5 here. I have the freedom of writing 5 digits. 5 digits here again 5 digits. So into. So answer will be, I think it is 3, 1, 2, 5. Understood? Now, how many 5-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 which are divisible by 4? I hope you know the condition of divisible by 4. Okay, divisible by 4 means what? Last 2 digits should be either 0, 0 or divisible by 4. Okay. So last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then you can say that the number is divisible by 4. Okay. So if I want to write a 5-digit number, here I have the freedom of writing all the numbers. Here I have the freedom of writing all the numbers. So here again I have the freedom of writing all the numbers, right? So here 5, 5, 5. I am bothered only about these 2 digits. Okay. So some conditions apply. What are the conditions now? See, last 2 digits should be here. No, you need not bother about 0, 0 because 0 is not at all there, right? Now, coming to the last digit, it cannot, because it is divisible by 4, it cannot end with 5. Sorry. It cannot end with 5 or 7 or 9. 5, 7, 9 are not possible. So what are the possibilities? Only 6 and 8 are possible, right? Only 6 and 8 are possible for filling up these two. Now, and this 6, 8, how will you write 6 and 8? Coming to the 4th digit, if you observe this, I can write 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. If I write 5 in the 4th digit, I cannot write, now I told you either 6 or 8 can be written in the unit digit. If I write 8, is it accepted? No, it is not divisible by 4, right? So if you write 6, then it is divisible by 4, right? So if 5 is there, I have the freedom of writing only 6. I cannot write either 6 or 8. No, 8. It is not possible. I can write only 6. I have the freedom of writing only one number 6 here. Similarly, 6 means here I have the freedom of writing 8 only. 68 is divisible by 4, right? Similarly, 76 is divisible by 4. 88 is divisible by 4. 96 is divisible by 4. So, this last digit depends on the 4th digit, right? So, there is no condition for 4th digit. So, 4th digit can be filled using all the 5 digits, right? One second. 4th digit can be filled with all the 5. But what about the unit digit? Now I don't have the, now by seeing this you may be thinking that you can either fill with 6 or 8 but not both. At a time you can use only one number, either 6 or 8, right? So how many numbers can be? You have the freedom of writing how many numbers? Only one, right? Therefore, it is 525 squared. It is 625 is the answer. Okay. So, you have to think properly and write. Okay. So, all the 6 problems are clear, I think. If you have any doubts, please give in the comment box. I'll answer. Okay. Or in the WhatsApp also you can do. Thank you. Thank you so much.